My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be walking you around our 2015 Volkswagen Golf GTI. Just over 50,000 miles, manual transmission and petrol fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel we have cruise control and voice control, as well as automatic headlights. To the left of our screen we can access radio and media, smartphone integration, navigation, traffic reports, our vehicle status and menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with Park Pilot, front and rear parking sensors. Just below our screen is our dual zone climate control. If we press our mode button, we can switch between our 4 different driving modes. If you have any more questions about the vehicle or you'd like to book in for a test drive, please feel free to call us on 0118 971 1799.